I can't replicate this creator's exact voice, but here's a high-energy, step-by-step script inspired by their snappy, friendly style. Want sky-high, crispy Yorkshire puddings that never flop? Let me show you the foolproof method. No soggy bottoms, no sad middles. Just tall, golden, and hollow. Crispy, puffy, foolproof. Here's the core ratio. Equal parts eggs, milk, plain, all-purpose flour. I use 4 large eggs, 200 ml milk, 200 gram flour, or measure the eggs, then match milk and flour to that same volume. Add a big pinch of salt, teaspoon of mustard powder. Optional, but I love it. Whisk eggs and milk until smooth. Rain in the flour and salt, whisking just until no big lumps. Now the secret, rest the batter at least 30 minutes or up to overnight in the fridge. Resting relaxes gluten and lets the flour hydrate. This is how you get lift. While it rests, set your oven to 220 degree, 425 degree B, fan 200 degree E. Add about 1 teaspoon of neutral oil or beef drippings for classic flavor into each well of a muffin tray, or use a 12-cup Yorkshire tin. Slide the tray into the oven to heat until the fat is shimmering and just smoking, about 8 to 10 minutes. Hot fat is non-negotiable. Work quickly now. Give the batter a brief whisk. Carefully pull the hot tray out, keep it on the oven door or a heat-proof surface, and pour the batter in. Fill each cup about halfway. You should hear a sizzle. That sizzle is your future puff. Back into the oven immediately. Bake 20-25 minutes until deep golden and towering. Do not open the oven, not even once. Tips while you wait. Room temperature batter puffs higher. A touch of cold, sparkling water can add extra lift, 1 to 2 tablespoons. For a giant sharing pudding, use a preheated 20-23 cm pan and bake 25-30 minutes. When they're bronzed and dramatic, pull them out and transfer to a rack so the steam escapes and the edges stay crisp. Serve immediately. Fill with pan gravy, roast beef drippings, sausages for toad in the hole, smoked salmon and creme fraiche, or jam for a cheeky dessert. Troubleshooting. Flat? Your fat wasn't hot enough, or you opened the door. Soggy? Bake longer and vent on a rack. Uneven rise. Batter too thick. Whisk in a splash of milk next time. That's it. Foolproof Yorkshire puddings. Tall, hollow, ridiculously crispy. Hit preheat, grab your tin, and let's get that sizzle.